Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. Today I want to show you a product that Inaxsys is a distributor of. It's again from our friend at Ajax Systems. This is the Ajax Doorbell. This is available in 4 different colors from white to black. This is one of the gray versions I have with me here. Okay, so it's a nice product. It's very simple to configure. Today I want to show you how to configure it in standalone mode. So meaning I don't have a DVR, I don't have an Ajax hub with me. So if your customer just starts by wanting to have a doorbell, you can start with the Ajax doorbell, and then later you can add an NVR, add the hub, add the alarm system on top of that, wireless locks. So it's a great ecosystem to use. Again, it's very user-friendly. It's by far one of the easiest systems I've worked with. I have an Ajax system at home that I love, and it's very easy to expand, with more devices as you go. So basically, I'm going to show you how to add the Ajax doorbell into the Ajax app as a standalone product. Okay. Also, in the kit, you have the what we call the bell kit, okay, available. So it's basically an equipment that you install in series with the doorbell. So basically, when you receive a visitor, let's say, when they press the button, you're gonna hear the doorbell ringing inside the house, just like a regular mechanical, button that you had in your past life, let's say. Okay, so let's start with opening the back of the doorbell. Okay, so because we need to power it on and scan the QR code. Okay, so at the back of the doorbell you have the power button, and now that I open this, there's also a tamper switch. So if someone removes it from the wall, you're going to be notified in the app. Okay, so let's launch the Ajax app on my phone. So I'm recording the screen so you can see it. So basically under here, the first thing you want to do is to add a space. Okay, so I already have a space in my app now called doorbell. Okay, so when you only have the doorbell as a standalone, you're gonna have one space. You can give it the name you want, and then from there you're gonna select add device. You bring your camera close to the QR code. Now it's gonna start the enrollment process. Okay, so let's call it doorbell. Sorry, space bell, and then the room. I'm going to select house, which is a room that I already had created in my app. Let's go add device. The next step is powering the device on. I'm going to show you. Like that. It's going to start flashing. And then you follow the on-screen indicators. Right? So the details that you need to follow. So I'm going to go next. All right. So you go next. So the LED is flashing blue, as you can see. I select yes. And then you join. So basically the doorbell will emit Wi-Fi. The phone will connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, so you need to let it run. Since the LED is flashing blue, it's ready. I want to select the guest network here, like that. Oops, sorry. Okay, and connect. All right, so there's another timer about, it says 30 seconds, it took like 5 seconds, and you see, I already have the doorbell connected. I confirm, and it's ready. All right, so now let's see if I minimize the app and I press the button, the call is coming in. And so basically, for some reason, the recording on my phone stopped because there was an incoming call, all right, which is normal. I don't think I can bypass that, or at least I don't know how to do it, all right, but you have the idea, okay? So, and then you can arm and disarm, and there's a whole set of functions that will be enabled if you want. There's scenarios, and obviously if you have an NVR, if you have the Ajax hub, you can link the doorbell to the NVR to record the camera on it, all right? And again, it's very great. There's a good AI in this doorbell that will detect humans and or vehicles. You can define which ones you want to get notifications if it triggers. So again, you see how easy it is. If you also have the hub and the Wi-Fi goes down, at least the doorbell is able to send snapshots via the network between the doorbell and the hub. So at least you can get some notifications if there's motion in front of the camera, for instance. Okay. So again, this was how to configure the Ajax doorbell as a standalone item. Okay, remember Inaxsys is a distributor of Ajax products in Canada. Okay, and also remember that we have tons of tutorials online, you know, for you to learn the products. Okay, so if you're looking at some answers, you can always search for the playlist. Okay, again, it's Fred from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.